Welcome students to Standard 9 Science and Technology. Lesson number 8, Useful and Harmful Microbes. In this lesson, we are going to study about useful microorganisms like lactobacilli, rhizobium, yeast. Also, some harmful microorganisms like Clostridium and others. In this session, we will study about microorganisms. Can you point a living organism apart from you and me? Do you know there are very small organisms around us which are so tiny that it is not possible to see them with naked eye. These are known as microorganisms or microbes. Let us recall what is meant by microbes and what are their characteristics. Let us study the characteristics one by one. Microbes. They are two small organisms. It is the smallest form of living beings which can be visible only with a microscope. We cannot see them through our naked eye. Microbes or microorganisms come in different shapes, varieties, and sizes. They make up the largest number of living organisms on the whole planet. What microbes include? Microbes include bacteria, protozoa, algae, and fungi. Although viruses are not considered living organisms, they are sometimes considered or classified as microorganisms. Let us study some more characteristics of microbes. Microbes found all around us. The human body is home to the millions of these microbes. Microbes live in water, soil, and in the air. As microbes found all around us, also the human body is home of millions of these microbes. We are completely surrounded by microbes everywhere. Amongst all these microbes, some make us sick, whereas others are important for our health. A pathogen is a microorganism that has the potential to cause disease. You might have heard some say that I have got bacterial infection or I have got viral fever. So this is nothing but the microbe causes diseases, and these microbes are called as pathogens. Some microbes are important or useful to us or to our health. When we take medicines, do you know many medicines are made up of microorganisms? Penicillin is one such medicine you might have heard. Some microbes makes us sick as viral infection or the bacterial diseases. Some microbes are useful to us and some microbes are harmful to us. In this lesson, we are going to study some useful microorganisms and some harmful microorganisms. In useful microorganisms, we are going to study about lactobacilli, rhizobium, and yeast. And in harmful microbes, we are going to study about fungi and Clostridium. With this information, we are ending with introduction of microorganisms. In our next session, we are going to study about useful microorganisms like lactobacilli, rhizobium, and yeast. Thank you.